Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of gut health and the Mediterranean diet. Gut health is essential for overall well-being, and what better way to nurture it than through a delicious and nutritious Mediterranean diet? Let's explore. Before we delve into the Mediterranean diet, let's understand the importance of gut health. The gut microbiota is heavily involved in the process of digestion, breaking down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fats that our bodies cannot digest on their own. These microbes produce enzymes that help break down food particles into smaller, more absorbable nutrients. Without a healthy balance of gut bacteria, digestion can become inefficient, leading to issues like bloating, gas, and nutrient deficiencies. Did you know that the gut houses over 70% of our immune system? The gut microbiota interacts with immune cells and aids in the differentiation of helpful microorganisms from pathogens, all of which are important for immune function. It takes a broad and well-balanced gut microbiota to keep our immune system strong, shield us from infections, and lower our chance of developing autoimmune illnesses. The gut microbiota is essential to the gut-brain axis, which is a two-way communication pathway between the gut and the brain. Studies have indicated that the makeup of the gut microbiota can affect behavior and brain chemistry, including mood, stress levels, and cognitive performance. Disturbances in the gut microbiome have been connected to disorders such as anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative illnesses. Beyond aiding in digestion, the gut microbiota also helps in the absorption of essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. Certain bacteria produce vitamins like vitamin K and some B vitamins, which are vital for various physiological processes in the body. Additionally, the gut microbiota helps regulate the absorption of dietary fats and plays a role in maintaining cholesterol levels. A healthy gut microbiota helps maintain a balanced inflammatory response in the body. Dysbiosis, or an imbalance in gut bacteria, can lead to chronic inflammation, which is linked to a wide range of health issues, including inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, cardiovascular diseases, and metabolic disorders like obesity and type 2 diabetes. Understanding the intricate relationship between gut health and our overall well-being underscores the importance of nurturing our gut microbiota through dietary and lifestyle choices. The Mediterranean diet is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's inspired by the traditional eating habits of people living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. This diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, with moderate consumption of fish, poultry, and dairy, and a limited intake of red meat and sweets. A word of caution: before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Many foods in the Mediterranean diet are not only delicious, but also promote gut health. Let's take a closer look at some of them. Fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. These promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and support regular bowel movements. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil helps reduce inflammation in the gut. Yogurt and fermented foods. These are packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut microbiota. Nuts and seeds. They provide essential nutrients and healthy fats that nourish the gut lining. Research suggests that following the Mediterranean diet can have a positive impact on gut health. Studies have shown that this diet can increase the diversity of gut bacteria, reduce inflammation, and improve overall gut function. These benefits translate to a lower risk of various digestive disorders, including irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Now that we understand the benefits, let's discuss how to incorporate the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle. Start by gradually introducing Mediterranean-inspired meals into your weekly menu. Experiment with new recipes featuring olive oil, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. Enjoy fish at least twice a week, opting for fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. Snack on nuts, seeds, and Greek yogurt for a gut-friendly boost. And don't forget to savor meals slowly and mindfully, enjoying the flavors and company. In summary, sustaining gut health is essential to overall well-being, and a tasty and long-term approach to do so is provided by the Mediterranean diet. You may promote a robust gut microbiota and live a long, healthy life by include nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, olive oil, and yogurt in your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health and nutrition. Until next time, take care and eat well.